effort of hard-working SEO professionals since 2002, right from the start of the SEO concept. We have not been experts all the way around, but we sure have evolved into one. With the rising trend of digital marketing, we have dared to compete in the most challenging industry, the search engine marketing industry. Eventually, core solutions were devised in order to cope with the ever-changing search engine algorithms, and this has helped us to offer pioneering SEO and SMO solutions to international web businesses.
What do our clients love about us? All our strategies are transparent. We don't keep our clients in the dark like others do. For example, if you take DMOS Directory Solutions as an example, most of our other service providers, they just charge $40 for DMOS submissions. You would be well aware that DMOS submissions would hardly take under a minute to complete the process, which we operate for free, of course. But considering all our other service providers, they just do not explain the process to the customers and they just want to charge. That's what is different with us. We explain everything to the clients, we explain the strategy to the clients, and our clients want to understand everything. So our research and all other information about the services, it's explained to the clients. So that's what the clients love basically with us. If you ask me what makes us different, our strategies, which are unique, is what makes us different, and we are we. We don't just offer all the services just because others offer it. We just do extensive research after providing all these services to our clients, and it comes with proven success. So that's what makes us different.
At Submit&Me, the effort is to provide a cost-effective, comprehensive, end-to-end advanced solution. Now, the fact that a particular service is billed with a charge that it deserves and no more speaks of a professional attitude. Now, in fact, we've even been proactive with many of our clients. For instance, if you look at our on-site optimization service, we know that this is a one-time job and hence charge accordingly, unlike most of other companies who would charge 3 or 4 times more than we do.
At Submit&Me, we believe in zero automation. Even if it is the most basic SEO service such as directory submission, we believe in executing the job completely under intelligent, analytical and experienced human brain. With over more than 50 in-house staff, we run a full-fledged corporate of search engine marketing business and operate in some of the most homely, comfort-filled working atmosphere. This produces excellent job quality which generates great results.
I have been working here in Submit&Me for the past 3 years. Work here is completely transparent. I can walk into the manager's or my supervisor's room anytime and discuss my ideas with him. Come back and work on really what I want to work. Our team here is a wonderful team and I am privileged to be on board in this team. The manager acts as a mentor, guide and not a mere supervisor. I come in and I am happy, have a great work-life balance. It's a very, very wonderful place to work.
As for sincerity, our services are sealed with a kiss as we keep it simple and yet sagacious. Rather than surviving on empty claims, we offer results, and sometimes we even surprise ourselves with top serves that stem from genuine hard work and exhaustive research.
Submit&Me has given me a perfect platform to perform, prove my work and get rewarded for it. It has given me a fair ground where experience and sensibility complement each other.
When I joined this company, I was struggling a bit to cope up with my works. During such situations, my senior staff guided me, supported me and inspired me to bring out my potentials and to uplift my career, and I hopefully did so. And another part is that there is no corporate hierarchy in this work environment, and I love to be a part of this community.
Hi, we have a lot of clients. Our clients are based in UK, US, Australia and most part of Asia.
It's been a joy to work with such a team of experts who take strong interest in what they do.
Okay. It's all about managing expectations and delivering expected results.
A positive client feedback tells us to what better. Our clients are being very generous with their feedback.
We have kept ourselves in a tight fold, focused on nothing but to deliver the best.
Summit in Me is an SEO firm that is all about practical SEO and SMO solutions.
It's always exciting to meet client expectations with our hard work.